Ever wonder how often you should change your car's oil? It's a common question. Most experts agree every year or 8,000 miles, whichever comes first. But why is it so important? Well, oil lubricates your engine, preventing damage from friction and heat. Over time, it gets dirty and less effective. That's when you need an oil change. And don't forget the filter. A clean filter ensures the fresh oil stays clean longer, so maintain your car's health, save on costly repairs, and keep on cruising. Remember, it's 1 year or 8,000 miles. Keep your engine purring with regular oil changes.